In this video, we're going to talk about whether it's possible to integrate Spocket with Sellvia. Now, the short and quick answer is that unfortunately, as of right now, there is no direct built-in integration between Spocket and Sellvia, okay? Now, this means you can't really sync products, orders, or your inventory data directly between the two platforms, so Sellvia and Spocket. However, now, while it's not available to pretty much directly integrate these two, there's a few potential workarounds you might consider, okay? So, it's still possible to do a manual product listing, which means you can import products from Spocket by pretty much downloading the product data, so as CSV or XML from Spocket, and then you upload it manually into Sellvia, okay? Now, you will, of course, have to do this manually. It will take quite a bit of time. However, if you want to do that, it's possible, okay? And when an order comes in on Sellvia, you can just manually place an order on Spocket, and that's possible to do, of course. And there's also some third-party integration tools. Now you can try to find one that may offer this integration. I wasn't able to do it, but I'm sure there is one. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So in the future, there may be a possibility to integrate Spocket and Sellvia. However, as of right now, the only option you've got is to basically manually do it, export and import into the other one, and that's it. So, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.